Hello, I hope you can hear me. So let's cut to the camera. And now, that's me. Let's get package. There it is. Okay. Are you ready? We need a knife. Some nice styrofoam nuts. And then, oh, up here. And more nuts. Well, that was fast. So, that was the stream. No, I'm just joking. Okay. Here's the box. Oh, looks good. One moment. Got that way around, I think. Ah, nice. Can get a bit nearer, I think. How to place properly. And then you can open it. Okay, nothing there. Still nothing there. Oh, nice packaging. So there's also an inside box, so it's nice and protected. Yeah, it seems to have suffered a bit of transport. This must be the manual. And I guess this is the power supply. But we start with the most uninteresting things, I think. Yeah, power supply with multiple plugs. Sorry, was not in picture. And this is a 12-volt power supply. Looks a bit mouse-like. Okay, I can't get it out. So there's the power supply. Yeah. Okay. Power supply. And here's the book. I need a knife again, I think. What do we have here? Okay, also nicely packaged. This is the important letter. This is the registration code you need to register on FileHost, to get closed ROMs, and to register on Discord. So you get the nice colored roll that shows everyone that you are MEGA65 owner. I will not show you my code. And here's the menu. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Oh yeah. This is really nice. It's way different than watching it as a PDF. Oh. Okay, this means I need to print the updated version as soon as we have a finished version, finalized version. When will this happen? I don't know. Perhaps we need to ask the shifter. By the way, I can't really see the chat. I will take a look. Weird background noise. Feedback. Okay. I reduced the sound a bit. Is it now better? as I said, it's a setup now that I did not test prior, so I don't really know how bad it is. So there's the MEGA65 with this extra packaging. Then nice. And those who know me, it's a really good sign that I do not have touched yet. But this can happen. Okay. That's a two-part packaging. Now, revelation. Platform, MEGA65. Okay. So I press it down and look again at what you tell me about. So how is the sound now? Is the weird noise gone? I think it's feedback because of the power connections of the camera and the... Why is my picture gone? Problems over problems. So. Passt jetzt, wunderbar. Dann sind wir auf dem richtigen Weg. Okay, switching back to English. So, someone asked how to install the batteries. Okay, how do we install the batteries? Well, the first thing you need to do is turn it over and then watch for the number. Oh, okay, I can tell you the number is exactly the right number. I have the serial number which matches the order confirmation number in its orders. So I know all the order confirmation numbers because of the registration stuff with the RecBot, and my order registration number is the third, and I have 303. So this should match, or is there a 300? And I don't know. So it's pretty close, I think. So where are the screws? It's only 3 screws in the lower part. We take them out. The MEGA65 development system I have, there the screws are always out, and I guess it will be the same here, because it's easier to access everything. So, and now, so you need to be a bit careful because the keyboard connection, you can take it out here. Okay, keyboard, MEGA65. Where I put the keyboard? There. So then we need some batteries. CR1220 should be the right one. And yeah, I think, why do I need to tell how to put in a battery? So this is the battery, and it has a flat side and a non-flat side, and the flat side needs to go up, and then you put it in from an angle below the clip, I guess, or other way around, I'm not sure. Yeah, so, and it's in. So it's really easy to do this. What can we also do? Let me see. I have something else. Which is the right one? So here's. There it is. The JTAG connector. So what do I do with the JTAG connector? First I again need to open it. By the way, this came all the way from America, from DigiKey. They were the only ones who still had some. And there is the JTAG connector. I need to ground myself. So. It's closed. Okay, open it again. And you have two places for JTAG connectors. One place is this one in the, it's a bit far away, but well, I don't think I can make it better. I don't have anything to put below. So the up in the upper right corner, right below the external SD card interface, this is the JTAG connector for the TE0790 JTAG adapter, which goes to the RTX7 FPGA. And this one is the Max 10 JTAG adapter, which is this chip. And this needs a different JTAG adapter. So this is our JTAG adapter. I don't know how good it will look. Yeah, and this you need to put on this pin, these pins, and with the USB facing towards the floppy drive. So, and then we have the JTAG connector installed. What I did in my development MEGA65 is I did put out one of these holes and then did route the USB cable through the hole, so it will not block the cartridge port. Yeah. Nice floppy drive, Alps. Looks good. Okay. So, anything else we can do? Should we put some power in? Don't know if I can quickly switch to the other setup. Let me see. I'm reading the chat. And I'm raising the volume. Okay, printed donator list. Printed donator list. We can take a look. Bit hard because it's probably upside down, but can you see it? So it's very faint. Sorry for the outside noise. Some teenage hormones playing around, I guess. Okay, that was the contributor list, donator list. Okay. I will see if I can set it up. need to get the other one out of the way. And then oh, sorry, noise might be a bit louder now. Oh, it's already on. Let me see if I can get the right screen. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so this is the first screen you will see, which asks you for the right date and time. And there it is important that you have installed the battery so the system can save the clock. And yeah, we can set it. So I can't give you an overlay of me typing on the keyboard right now because I need to move the camera for this. So this is correct, and we have the 10th. Ah, damn. One click too much. May 10th of May 2022. Ah! Can it go backwards? Ah, it can go backwards. So you can press shift to go backwards. I did not know that. Video I keep at NTSC because my weird VGA converter is yeah, weird with PAL frequencies. So it's a very cheap China thing. And then I also leave the CRT out because it looks better with the digitized output streaming to YouTube. Play a tune. We should be able to hear this. Let us see. Did you hear something? Again? Yeah, it looks like there seems to be sound. Okay, good. CRT emulation, right. I want to disable it. You see, the picture directly gets more full. Okay, and then I press return to save. And there it is booting for the first time. So that's the booting. Accidentally pressed enter. Okay, if you accidentally press enter too soon, how can you get back? You can get back, you can do it, I can show it. If you boot, I think it was with Alt. No, it was not with Alt. Yeah, you boot with Alt, then press 1 to go to configure. And here you should be able to tell the system to reset. But you also can just change the settings here. So you don't need this initial setup screen. You can change all the configuration settings right here. Oh, this is mysterious. Why does it have the long file name support on it? Do we have a newer ROM? Bitstream? I'm irritated a bit. But there should be also an option. Ah, here. If you press exit and reboot to onboarding, this is what you saw first. This is the onboarding screen. So you can here just tell the system to go back to the onboarding screen. So we can try it now. And there it is again in onboarding.
but with all the settings that are set. So CRT again off, and then I could also look for my SD card. Should have one. Oh, so I put in an SD card in the external slot, and then I boot with no scroll, hold down. And you see, you only have the factory core installed. You don't have something in slot 1, which is the default boot slot. And I will now boot, will now flash something to slot 2. If I had inserted the right SD card, which I did not, needs to be a different one. Let me see. Perhaps this one. It was a very quick setup here, so sorry for that. But I think I can find the right disk with a ROM on it. No, this one is not the right one. I take this one, okay. Okay, I do have now a SD card with the right image on it. And then I need to try again. I think I need to boot again. Yeah, the SD card connection is a bit, yeah, special, I would say. And there we have a C64 core. So let's flash this, and you can see this goes much faster. If you have seen retrocomps do it with the older default factory bitstream, this has the very old flasher in it, and this flasher takes advantage also of the new flash chip on the MEGA65 R3A board. So this goes really fast, and after it's done we should be able to boot into the C64 core. And I guess then I will stop the stream because, yeah, it was unboxing, not setting up the whole system, right? And you will also have have to have some fun with it. So you can see here is the C64 from MEGA65 V1 Max 10 core. Okay, one or two sentences to this. We discovered a bug with the reset button. It does not happen with all R3A boards. It's a timing issue, and essentially it's a wrong interpretation how the reset button works. And this comes from the Max 10 FPGA chip. And so essentially the stock C64 for MEGA65 V1 version 1 core does it wrong. And the Max 10 version does it right. You can find both bit streams on FileHost. So if you have problems with one of them, take the other one. And the next release of the C64 for MEGA65 will have the right implementation. So then we will do testing for this, and it will be rock solid as it should be. So let's stop talking and press return. And then we should get the C64. So this is the VGA converted screen. And now just for fun, I will I start the menu first, and then I switch to the HDMI output. Wrong button. I'm not sure. I did not. Yeah, you need to actually connect the HDMI cable so that it works. Yeah, the wireless connection is not in there yet. Yeah, looks good, I would say. Wonderful. Good. This is everything. Or is there anything someone wants to know? No, I think most of the people are gone already. Yeah, okay. this was a really quick delivery. So yeah, last week they got the packaging, and on Monday they already shipped the first, yeah, about 100. So that's really, really fast, I think. Shouting in the background, yeah, as I said earlier, this is teenage hormones playing around, and this was the son of my girlfriend, and yeah, he's a bit angry because, yeah, who knows because of what. Well, yeah, was nice to show this, and I think I will do something soon, something new. And now let me get to the still image here. Okay. Where is it? There it is. So, yeah, unboxing is done. Yeah, that's right. What Corona did to German kids after 2 years. Yeah, there are no social contacts, only sitting around at home on their computers. Well, a moment. Let me think back. What did I do as I was a teenage boy and had probably a C128? I think I sat in my in my room on my computer and did not meet someone else. So yeah, okay. I don't know. Okay. Nice to have you here, and I hope you get your MEGA65 very soon. See you. Bye.